Well, all morning we're getting to know Maddie, one of our viewers from Londonderry in Greater Western Sydney. Our reporter Robbo is out there for us this morning. You're helping out in the farm, Robbo.
Oh, good on you. Well, that's right, Sarah. You know, if there's nothing more than I like to do than get out on the land and also have experiences with animals. So that's really great. So what we're doing this morning is we've got some crackers here. We've got the chickens. Which actually, if you look closely at these chickens, they look like a three-piece feed. So that's lovely. Now, we've also got, I think, there you go, you do that first. Now, these are your animals, of course, Maddie, as we're spending the morning at your house. You've got alpacas, sheep, dogs. What else have you got?
We've got a cat and apparently somewhere we've got a turtle.
Oh, that's impressive.
We didn't mean to have the turtle, we just do.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now, when I look at alpacas, I think of, like, they're hipsters. They look down at you. Is that what you feel? Being out here?
No, they don't look down on me, but they might look down on you, perhaps.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough too, Maddie. Yeah.
You've got a nice check shirt for them as well, which is very hipster friendly.
Well, I'm going to try and make friends with them now. Look at this one with the hipster hair.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Can you shear an alpaca, Robbo?
Oh, no, yeah.
You certainly can. And actually, Maddie and her husband Steve have made their own pillows with alpaca fur. That's amazing there, Maddie. Now, you've also got sheep over here as well. Oh.
Careful.
Now, sheep. Oh, sorry. No. Just wanted to make sure that's. Now, all of the men at home, that was an example of what not to do with a lady. Okay, now that you've seen me do it, you shouldn't do it yourselves. Come over here, the sheep. Now, can we shear these sheep, Maddie? No. G'day, lady. No? Okay. All right, so I have weird experiences with humans and weird experiences with sheep. Now, this is a lifelong dream of mine, the thing that we're about to do next. I'm about to do what I've always wanted to do, and that's ride on a lawnmower right now and start this thing up.
Oh, wow.
Now pull a choke out, I think. Start. Hey. Wow. All right, now put this up here.
Careful, Robbo.
This is all that fun.
We've seen your driving skills with the...
Let's paint it all the way out to the power.
Be careful. Be careful.
I've got to say, Robbo, that is not how you shear an alpaca.
I think it's pretty safe to say that I'm one with the land. I think that was one of the worst experiences I've ever had.
Oh, dear.
Hey, Robbo.
Dreams are not all they make up to be.
Robbo.
Let's go. Yes, Sally. Yes.
I reckon you kind of have alpaca hairstyle today, that quiff.
Well, it keeps falling down, you see. The beautiful air out here in Londonderry kind of diffuses the hairspray.
We should try and do a split screen. That's a bit flock of seagulls now.
I feel like it's...
Oh, no.
Don't know where that grass is being, Robbo.
Oh, no.
It's been a real fun day out of here on the farm, let me tell you.
Just look down the barrel of the camera
really
for a sec,
mate.
Robbo. We've just got a split screen happening with the alpaca. That's good.
Wow.
That is dedication.
I don't know where that's been.
Oh, dear. Have a nice glass of water. He hasn't had water.
Yes. I've got to take a rest now, I think, after this day on the farm. Let's get back to the city.
We'll see you later then.
Are you throwing back to us now?
Are you still here? Yes. I thought you had gone, actually. I'm like, oh, they're still talking to us, I think.
Oh, it's been a rough morning for you, hasn't it, sweetheart? Thank you, Robbo.